So I'm just gonna do about 70%. A lot of you were asking for this, is ombre, 2 colors. I'm excited to try this one out. All right, I have my little foil fleck here, number 9. I'm gonna use just a little bit. This one, if you use, you can use it so many different ways. If you're using on the top of the top coat, it's gonna give you a really cool flaky look. However, if you're using it rubbing on the top of the top coat, it will give you is a chrome finish. If you're using on liquid and powder, it will give you is like a glitter effects. However you would like it. So I just want on the end of the nails, because on the top I'm gonna put the 3D flowers. There you go. Hey Nidhi. Hey Zoe, hello. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. So I am going to dip my brush into the monomer, and we pick up kind of nude colors and do it just right above of the kind of corals colors. You can do with any different colors, doesn't have to be the colors I'm using right now. How's everyone doing on Saturday? Just tap it on the side. Then go into the second beads. This is perfect for like beginners if you want to build, do it ombre for the longer nails, especially coffins. Hey Mama Vic, hey Wanda. Hello everyone. Hope everyone have a great Saturday. For all of you just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and such. We are, hello, Leah, how are you? Vanessa, how are you? Oh, it's happy Father's Day over there in Australia, right? And I'm gonna do a cap of clear coat on that nails and let it set. What time is over in Australia? Hope you all have a great day over there. You guys like 12 hours ahead of us? Or 17 hours, I don't remember. And I'm using just the belly of the brush. Hey, nailed it by canvas. Looks good. I am going to move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one right there. I have this super cute ones. I am going to do it kind of marbling we'll see how we are going to do this fun nails under clear right there. I'm gonna pick up this little clear and this little purple, and I'm gonna go in to do it's like just so it doesn't matter, you can sort, like there's so many different ways to sort this one. Nothing a right way, just different look. So if you are first time start playing with this, do not afraid of to do it, because as unless you get your ratio a little bit loosens, like a little bit wet, then usually you laying your bead, you should able to achieve this. Looks really easy because when it wet you can control it so easy. I'm gonna do just a little thin coat. Pink colors. Really thin because I'm gonna like encapsulating that cute flowers on this nails. So you can achieve like encapsulating, ombre, and marbling, like 3 techniques in one nails. Yeah, a little bit light touch. Livas, you are absolutely right. Just a light touch, it will really does, you know, like the trick for you. Just light touch. All right, so I am going to lay my flowers. Hello. You can move it up higher if you want to. Super, super duper cute. Let me see what I got it right here. Gonna get just a little bit smaller one. And also the leaf want to be viable for you too if you don't want to like really molding this. It's so adorable. Well, you can add, you can move this one down and make it more here. It's up to you. And if you, this one you can do it on the top of the nails, or you can do encapsulate. It's for all of you who want to be encapsulating this. So then what we're gonna do is clear coat over the top. I'm gonna do just really thin coat over the flowers first to avoiding bubbling. And that one also. It's really thin so then you can encapsulating it. This one you can use for your polygels, liquid and powder. And then now we're gonna go into the bigger beads. Till the nail down a little bit. I'm gonna do just like really encapsulate underneath. Hey Jess, hey Wanda, hi Lynn. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Hi Nene. Hi Debbie. Hope you all have a great day. Happy Saturday. Hey Genesee, how are you? Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Hey artist, how are you? So I'm gonna cap it so then it's kind of balanced on the nail, because we encapsulating, we'll make sure it's on the nails is even. You can see that I always guide it on the edge, on free edges of the nail to make sure they are stay nice and precise, so it won't be too bulky on the side of the nails. So then later when you file them, shape them, it'll look so much better. Cut off on the excess powder. Hope everyone are doing the event or going out of town this weekend fun and safe. You can put some crystal on the side right there. Very good one. I'm so happy with this. I can't wait to show you the final looks. It looks 3-dimensional. Okay, let it on the sides and let it set. In the meantime, these two are setting. And